Do you need home health care services for your loved ones? If you do, we are introducing to you Home Health Cart. This is a complete platform that provides high-quality and efficient remote services. And yes, in some cases you don't need the physical presence of a healthcare provider. It can be done through our Home Health Cart application. Let's look at how this app works. We open the application first and register with the required details of the user and the patient. Based on the details, an on-site or off-site evaluation of patient will be done by the support team. Only according to the evaluation they will be recommending the subscription packages. The subscription packages are split into 3 types. The first one includes the general subscription modules. In this module we first have the nursing or caregiver services. The second subscription is a module for training. A healthcare provider will train the patient or patient relatives about the care plan with proper supervision. Diet and nutrition consultation is the third subscription module. The fourth subscription module includes GP consultation. The last module in the general subscription is physiotherapy. The second subscription package includes advanced subscription modules. These are the automated modules without any physical intervention. The first module in this package is 24/7 video surveillance. In this we will be providing live video monitoring of patient for client side and healthcare providers. Only according to the consent of the client only will video monitoring be available for healthcare providers. The second module is medication monitoring. This includes daily medication record management. Vital sign monitoring is the third module in the package. This will have regular monitoring of vitals using advanced technology devices. The fourth and last module is the emergency response system. Automated notifications will be sent to the healthcare providers in the event of an emergency. What do you think about the subscription packages? Are you happy? But do you feel something is missing in the list? Well, to complete our list we also have a premium subscription package with 2 modules. The first one is patient health analysis reports. The second module is doctor consultation with recommendations. All these subscriptions can also be customized based on the client conditions.